Cook in your thermos to save energy and money. Did you know that you can cook with a thermos? Surprising, but true. Because it is highly insulated and can retain heat from 8 to 24 hours, it makes it an ideal slow-cooking receptacle. People who live in parts of the world where heat is expensive, campers and simply those who want to save energy costs can all benefit from cooking simple meals using a thermos. If you're interested in saving energy and money, here's how to cook food using a thermos. Get the best thermos you can afford. Choose a wide-mouth thermos and the largest capacity you can find. Look for something that is stainless steel vacuum insulated. It won't work if you buy a glass insulated or styrofoam insulated thermos because these don't retain heat as well. So skip the character designs and go for the real deal. In the market, you will find Aladdin Stanley Thermos or the Nissan stainless steel vacuum thermos or the wide-mouth food jar. Have more than one thermos so you can prepare more than one item at a time. Have a separate thermos for your drinks. Preheat the thermos. It doesn't mean stick the thermos in the oven. To preheat your thermos, boil a kettle or pot of water. When it reaches boiling point, pour the water inside the thermos and cover. The thermos will absorb the heat from the water. Pour it out only when you are ready to start cooking. Cook directly on your thermos. Oatmeal and rice can be cooked directly inside the thermos. Put the rice or oatmeal inside the thermos and add boiling water. Cover it tightly and leave it for at least 4 to 6 hours. It may be surprising to know that you can also cook a simple soup directly in the thermos. Place all the chopped ingredients inside mixed in boiling water. Seal the thermos tightly and leave it lying down on a sideways position. After about 4 hours or more, place the thermos in an upright position. This will ensure that the items inside will be cooked more evenly. The food should be ready in 8 hours. Start from the pot. Another way that you can cook with the thermos is by using it as a slow cooker. Start the dish that you are cooking on the stove, such as a stew, soup, or even oatmeal. Once your ingredients have all been combined and it has reached the boiling point, transfer the food into your preheated thermos. Scoop it out with a spoon. Cover the food immediately and leave for 6 to 8 hours. Keep the portions small. If you want to cook meats and vegetables using a thermos, chop up the ingredients into smaller pieces for faster and even cooking. For meats, dice the chicken or use ground beef to make stews and soups. You won't be able to cook large batches of food since you'll be limited to the size of your thermos. It takes a long time to cook with the thermos. It saves your money and energy, but not a lot of time. This is why it's important to plan your meals properly if this is your cooking method of choice. You'll save money since cooking your meals at home is much cheaper than eating out. Also, you won't be using the gas or electric stove to cook for long periods of time, so consider it if you want to save on energy.